coming at me from all directions. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. With one mighty stroke of my trusty sword, I slew them all. The door! Answer the door! Methinks my royal subjects are not as brave as their brave king. I'll answer the door. Who's there?
Help! Help! Let me in! Help!
Well, what's your name?
I'm Felix the cat. Who are you?
I'm old King Cole, the merry old soul, and not afraid of anything.
Not even lightning?
Not even lightning. Why, I remember one storm when 10,000 bolts of lightning...
Methinks yon royal braggart is unusually windy today.
...sounded in my ears.
He giveth me a royal pain in the neck.
Heard the wild elephant. But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. I'm not afraid of anything.
Get off here.
What was that?
Ghost!
I don't believe in ghosts.
Neither do we. What sayest we take the wind out of yon windbag? Let's give him the white. Come on, fellers.
Talking, bragging, always growing, yeah, 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 yeah. You talk too much, you never shut up, you talk too much, yeah, 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 yeah. You're talking all the time. You brag too much, you never shut up, you brag too much, yeah, yeah. Bragging all the time.
We'll take the wind out of this windbag. Afraid? Not me.
Now we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we'll see if he can take it.
Now we'll give you a dose of your own medicine.
But was I afraid? Not old King Cole. Coming the wild cat, I grabbed my pocket knife and switched at the Take it away! Take it away! I'll never do it again! Take it away! I can't stand it! Giant elephant. Flying my knife to left and right, and leaving a trail of wounded beasts as I wait. By the time we reached the middle of the desert, there were only 3 elephants left. I fought them all 3 at once, and I am afraid, not me, I'm not afraid of anything. Strangled with my bare hand. I
There's a but was I afraid? By the might of the fearless King Kong! I'm not afraid of anything. You said it.
Well, we show them who's boss around here. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. We're not afraid of anything. We're not afraid at all. My boy, for your bravery in protecting your king, I crown thee Prince Felix.
We're not afraid, are we?
Not only gold,